Welcome and good day to all. Okay, so next we move to chapter 1, part 6, which is application of Laplace transform. Okay, Laplace transform of derivatives. So basically when we do the Laplace transform for y, so you will get ys. Okay, so and then if we do the Laplace transform of derivative y prime, so you will get s y double s minus y in bracket 0. So this one basically they will give you based on the equation. Okay, and then for Laplace y double prime, so you will get you need to change for to the s double s square ys minus sy0 minus y prime 0. So basically for y double prime, they will the question will give you, they will given the initial condition, which is y0 equal to something and y prime equal to something. So basically this one you need to substitute the value into the equation. Okay, step of solving Laplace transform. Okay, step 1, first you need to take Laplace transform of both sides of the equation. So you need to Laplace transform of both sides of the equation. So basically this is our first step, and then step number 2, we need to obtain algebraic equation for ys. So then you need to rearrange your equation to get the algebraic equation ys, and then step 3, you need to solve for ys, and then the last step is take the inverse Laplace transform to get the small ys. Okay, let's say this is our first order. Okay, we can see the equation is y prime minus 2y equal to 4. Okay, so this is our equation. Okay, so this one we try to solve first order differential equation. So because this one you can see that this is y prime. Okay, then they will give you given y0 equal to 1. Okay, so basically if the equation is y prime, okay, involved with first order, so they will give you y0 equal to something. Okay, if the equation is y double prime, so they will give you y prime 0 and then y0. They will give you two initial condition. Okay, let's say this is our question. Okay, so first step you need to Laplace transform for both sides, left hand side and right hand side. Okay, so tadi dekat first slide you can see here, if we do the Laplace transform for y prime, so you need to change ys minus y0. So this one is for Laplace transform of first derivative. Okay, so this is for first derivative, so you need to change here. So s minus 0. So this is our Laplace transform for first derivative. Okay, and then when you do the Laplace transform for 2y, for y, basically you will get ys. Okay, y Laplace yt, so you will get capital ys. Okay, so that's why for this one you will get 2ys. And then Laplace 4. So when we refer Laplace of table of Laplace transform, so 4 this one constant. So means that when we do the Laplace, so you will get a over s. So since our function is 4, so you will get 4 over s. Okay, then this is the first step, step 1. So you do the Laplace for both sides. Okay, after that this one you can simplify by factorization. So this one ys, capital ys is this one. So we can combine these two. So you will get s minus 2 ys. Okay, and then they're already given y0. y0 equal to 1. Okay, so that's why you will get 1 here. Okay, then for s. Okay, now step 2, we need to obtain algebraic equation. So we need to find ys. Okay, so yang mana kita tak nak, kita kena remove to the right hand side. Okay, so this one. So you will get the algebraic equation is ys equal to 4 plus s over s in bracket s minus 2. Okay, then we need to solve, step number 3, we need to solve ys. So basically when we want to solve this one, so you need to do step number 4, which is inverse Laplace transform. Okay, so basically this one is fraction, so we need to apply partial fraction. So when we apply partial fraction, we will get a over s plus b over s minus 2. Okay, after that we need to do the elimination. Okay, so you need to find the value of a and b. Okay, so since this one, if s equal to 2, so you will get 4 plus 2 equal to a, and 2 minus 2 plus b. So 2 minus 2 is 0, so this one cancel, so you will get b equal to 3. Okay, then after that you substitute, you will get the value of a is negative 2. Then when we obtain the value of a and b, so substitute into the partial fraction. Okay, then baru kita boleh proceed inverse Laplace transform. Okay, so negative 2 over s. Negative 2 over s, when we refer table of Laplace transform, 2 over s kat sini lah. Okay, so our function will be negative 2. Okay. Okay, so you get negative 2. Okay, and then this one is equal with the exponential, so 3 1 over s minus 2. Okay, so that's why you get 3e to x. Okay, so this is our final answer. So this one is for first order. Okay, ni kalau soalan first order lah, kita hanya ada first derivative saja. Okay, so next we move to the second order. Okay, let's say our equation is second order differential equation. So we have so y double prime minus 3y prime plus 2y equal to 2e power of 3x. So if it's involved with second order differential equation, so means that it will give you two initial condition, which is y0 and then y prime 0. Because later you need to substitute the value. Okay, so first step you need to Laplace both sides. Okay, so left hand side and right hand side you need to Laplace. Okay, so when we do the Laplace y prime, y double prime, so basically you akan dapat inilah s square y s minus sy0 minus y prime 0. So substitute. So this one. Okay, so ini adalah after you do the Laplace transform for second derivative. Okay, and then minus 3 y prime. When we do the Laplace, so this one, it should be inilah sy minus y0. So substitute, so inilah, ini for y prime. Okay, and then plus 2y. So y, this one, when we do the Laplace, we will get capital Y. Okay, and then this one, refer table of Laplace transform. Refer table of Laplace transform, so you will get to 1 over s minus 3. Okay, so that's why we get 2 over s minus 3. Okay, then substitute y0 equal to 5 and y prime 0 equal to 7. So substitute into the to this equation. So you will get you will obtain the value for algebraic equation ys. So inilah. Okay, so you need to try by yourself. Okay, and then after you do the inverse Laplace transform, so this will be your final answer. Okay, so your task is you need to show the calculation. Okay, make sure you get the same answer. Okay, then you need to submit, and then I will count the calculation as your attendance lah. So you need to submit, show all the calculation, then dapatkan jawapan yang last ni lah. Okay, nanti saya akan create dekat author, so you need to submit this solution. So yang ini saya akan kira sebagai attendance lah. Okay, and then this will be your quiz. Okay, dia dah bagilah jawapan, so make sure you get the final answer. This is not your final answer, so you need to do the Laplace inverse transform, then you akan dapatlah jawapan last. Okay, so this one they will give you A, B, C, D, so you need to show all the calculation. Make sure you show semualah. A macam mana dapat 15 over 26. You kena tunjukkan jalan kira. So this one will be your quiz 1. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you.